Monday morning! Why is everybody in such a bad mood? I'm not. The rest of the household appear to be. But hey ho, life goes on. We just get on with it. And we're out and about on our river walk. It's lovely and peaceful and very sunny. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. It's going to be a nice one. Already seen a white butterfly. That's it. Good girl. Goes in the hole. We don't want it in a hole, do we? Go. That's it, a little bit of feet wet. What are we doing? Rolling into something. It's you. Good morning. Very foamy today. Are you waiting for me? So as we leave the stillness of the river and the butterflies behind, we're going to head on back now home, and we're going to spend some time in the garden getting a few jobs done, because last week really wasn't weather to get anything done. However, today has proven us all wrong, so going to be out there making the most of it. You've got a pain in your side, so you go for a lie down and you're just dropping off to sleep, and then your phone rings, and then a big van pulls up outside and you can hear pounding going on. So something is happening in next door's garden, and I don't know what they're doing just yet, but it's keeping me awake, so I can forget about that sleep, that's for sure.